Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. With that, I think we move on to our live analysis. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so here today we have from the US unemployment claims at 2030, and followed by core durable goods and orders month on month and durable goods and orders and month. And we also have from the US at 2200 hours existing home sales. Okay, so these are the key data that is going to be out tonight. And tomorrow we have New Zealand and Australia bank holiday, Italian bank holiday, and we have pound retail sales. Then Swiss National Bank chairman speaks, then followed by Canadian core retail sales and revised view of consumer sentiment from the US. Okay, let's start on to do our live trades. Okay, looking at this, we are seeing the euro dollar showing some strength on the 6 hours, the previous 6 hours, and current 6 hours is still pointing up. Okay, but the daily looks like it's you can't hear me? Can you hear me now? Hello? Hello? Okay, you let me know if you can't hear me. I'm sure. I mean, you can hear me clearly. So here, looking at this, we have the 360. Okay, the 360, which is pointing higher, but the daily, this is within the range 11310 and 11440. So that is within the range, but the daily has turned down. Okay, has turned down on the daily on the euro. Okay, weekly is flat. Then we have 120. Okay, 120. This is showing up, followed by the 60 and 30. All are just showing with an flat with an upside view. So what all we know is we should be looking to see the price turning down soon, because the daily is still pointing down. So let's see on the euro. So we have 360 and 720, which is up. Daily we need to see the price turning down before SR1. Okay, so let's see what is SR1. Then we can Okay, so that means the price is 11410. 11410, and previous day high is 11440. Okay, 40, and 11470, 11490, there is a resistance, so we should be looking to the price to turn down before 11410, 11440, 11470. Okay, so any one of these three levels we expect this market to turn down. So let's see the chart, and okay, let me change the thing. Okay, the chart is not displaying. Okay, give me a minute. Let me get the chart. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Display capture. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, I'm not able to show that screen. Okay, I'm not sure why the screen is not displaying. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm having an issue. Media. So it should be window. Okay, I'm so sorry. Never fit to screen. Okay, are you all able to see the screen? Okay, so sorry. So let me get back to this. Okay, so now when we look into euro dollar, So right now, this market, this is showing we should be able to see a sell at 1 11440. Okay, 11440, or slightly an extension towards 11480 or 90. So we have two levels to pay attention to. So as of now, we should be able to see the price either touching 11440 and turn down, or if we have further strength, we should be able to see 11480 or 90. So here, when we look into this, as of now, the market is showing some strength. So what we will do is, we will try to go in two trades. Okay, one is try to buy at 11360, yeah, and try to exit before 11405. Okay, so give me a minute. I think I'm showing the wrong chart. Okay, give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so here still showing the wrong chart. Okay, give me 1 minute. I think I have some technical issues. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to have two trade. One is we try to buy at 11360 and try to exit before 11405. Then another one, we will try to go for a sell at 11430 or 11440 with a stop above 70-75. Then again we can go for another trade at 11480-85. So we have three trades all in all for this currency. Okay, so let's give a call. Okay, first is we are going to go for a scalping trade, which is euro buying at 11360 and stop at 30, TP at 11405. Okay, this is half lot because this is going to be the price just I wouldn't say just a pullback. I wouldn't say it's a counter trend, but it's just a pullback. So we will try to give until 1 hour 15 minutes for this trade. Then we would go for a sell. Okay, this is a momentum trade. We will try to sell at 11430 or 11440. Okay, stop at 65, and this one we can exit at 11360 or 11330. Okay, we'll put it as 60 as a comfortable level, and this one we can go for one lot, and this expiry should be maybe until 20. Okay, that means now is 17, so 3 hours. So we are giving about three and a half hours for this trade. Then we can go for another trade, okay, which is going to be a day trading. Okay, we will try to sell at 114.85, 115.15, and TP at 113.60. Okay, still the same. And this is one lot, and this one we will go until the midnight. So that means we'll give plenty of time for this trade. Okay, so we have three trades all in together for euro dollar. Okay, we have three trades. One is a euro buy, which is going to be a current movement, buying at 360, 11360 and exiting before 11405. Then we have a euro sell. Okay, we'll try to sell. This is a 485, which is the further level, and we have one more at 11430. Okay, so these are the three trades for euro. So the next signal, okay, the next signal we are going to look for is the pound, okay, which is also showing some strength again. So this is also in a similar situation. Okay, the range is between, we are looking for 132.35 and 133.40. Okay, 133.40 and 132.35. Okay, so here again we are seeing some strength, and I think we should be limited. So let's see the PT zones. PT zones is also giving us a similar picture, but euro is weaker than the pound because pound is trading above the selling zone. So let's see what we can see for the pound. We should see the price turning down before 11370 and 390. Okay, 370 and 390 are the key levels, and for the buying, I think 13270 should be a buying level. Okay, so we also have resistance at 11355. Sorry, 13355. Yeah, so we have 13355, 13385 are two selling levels, and buying should be 133 or 132.70. Okay, so these are the two buying levels. So now we look into pound. So most likely we should see the price hitting 40. Okay, I think, remember our early on the level was 55. That's where the system set. So we will be selling at 40, another one at 85. So we have two trades for this, and more or less, okay, this one, sorry, this one we can also go for a buy and exit before 113.40. So what we can do, we go for a buy at 132.90, stop at 60, and TP at 133.30. Okay, this is a buy, selling at 33.40 and 33.80, and TP should be at 33. Okay, so we have three trades. One is we go for a buying 132.90, 60 or 65, then 133.30. Okay, there's a 40 pips, and this is a half lot, and this one we will give 1 hour or the most 1.5 hours for this trade. Then the next trade is going to be, okay, 133 133.40, stop at 70, and TP at 32.90. Okay, so this is I think probably I just want to go for a half lot, and this one we will go until 20, 30 or 21 level. So this is about 50, not say 50, I would say about 40 pips away. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll see whether. Okay, the next trade we want to go for a sell. Okay, this is a day trading call. Sell. Okay, we will go for a sell at 133.85, 34.15, and 133. So that's about 85 pips move, and this is one lot we are looking at, and this is again we will give until the next time belt, okay, which is 2300 hours. So we have three trades for the pound. Okay, one is a quick buy, okay, cautious buy or quick buy, then buying at 32.90 and exiting at 33.30. Then we have a sell and hold at 33.85, and this also sell at 33.40. So this would be the next signal. Okay, the next one we are going to see is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we look dollar yen and dollar Swiss, then finally we look into the gold live trade. Okay, so here the dollar yen, right now this is your 360, your previous 360 was down. Okay, and the daily has been up. The range is between 141.50 and 143.50 on the daily. Then on the 360 is 142.55 and 143.60. So we have 120.60 all are flat. So right now the market is trading at 142.60. So here is flat on the 6 hours, 12 hours, daily. This is showing some weakness. Okay, in fact, these two forces are pointing lower. So this is, I'm not sure whether this is a strong sell or a quick sell. Strong sell means you can go for a sell and hold, or quick sell means just go for a sell and exit before the range. So if you look into dollar yen daily, I think this is well supported at 142. Okay, 42 and 140, 195, well supported. But on the daily, this is showing selling force below 143.15 and 140, 43.05. So we have a strong support at 42.05, 41.85. So let's go to the chart, then see how does it respond. So looking at the chart, I think we should be buying and holding above 141.50, 141 half. Okay, buy and hold. So your 360 right now, this is in the selling mode. So expect some more weakness, but it should be limited. Okay, it should be limited. So we should be looking to buy at 141.85. Okay, and stop at 141.50. We can also go for a buy at 42.20. Okay, so we have two buying levels. One is buying at 42.20, another one is 41.85. Okay, let me. Okay, so we will see right now, or we can even go for a slightly lower if you feel that 42.20 is a bit near side. So what we can do is we'll try to buy at 42.05 and 41.80. Then our TP we should be exiting before 42 142.80. Okay, 142.80 or 43.10. Okay, let me yeah, 43.10. So here we have the signal. Okay, this round, if you want to go for a sell, let me see. We can sell at 42.95. Okay, that can be another call on the scalping. So we'll go for a quick sell. $142.95. Okay, stop at 43.20 and TP at 45. Okay, this one we will give maybe until 7 p.m. 1900 hours. Then we have a momentum trade, buying at 142. Actually 05 should be the entry, so probably we'll put 142.10, 80 and 142.80. Okay, this one we can go for one lot and until 2100 hours. That means another 3.5 hours. Okay, then we can go for a day trading call. Okay, which is okay, one 141 80 or 85. I think we'll put it as 85. Then 141.50 and 142.80. Okay, this one we can go for one lot, and this is expiry until the next time belt. Okay, buying at 141.80, 85. That should be our. In fact, we are not expecting the price to go below 141.50. Okay, so this should be our entry, stop and exit. Okay, then now we come into gold. Okay, gold, we will do the gold. Then, if we have any other opportunities, then we will try to concentrate on that as well. So, gold, if you look into your current time belt, okay, this is flat. Okay, this is flat and this is within the range on the hourly between 3323 half and 3340 half. This is your hourly range. Then 2 hour range is also similar. Okay, 3323 half and 3340 half. So right now this is trading at 31 near the top. So we should be looking to sell most likely, but of course we need to get the exact levels, exact direction before we put in the trades. So here, when we look into the dashboard, okay, we can sell at 34 half or 38 half, and your current 360 is 41 half. Okay, so we'll try to sell, and remember we got to exit before 23 half, which is uh, your previous 360 low. Okay, the previous 360 low is 26 actually, so 26 we should be exiting. So this is within the range on the 2 hours, and 2 hours has just started and this is looking at just coming down. So we should be exiting before 23 half or 26. I think we can go for the trade. So what we do is we will try to sell at 34 half. Okay, 34 half or 37. Then put a stop at 39. Okay, 39, and the TP we exit at 26, and right now this market is already starting to fall. Okay, 30. So we have another $4, but I think we just have missed it. So we will try to go for a sell at 34 half. Okay, so let's get into this trade. This is a scalping trade. Okay, 33, 3, put 4 half or 5. Okay, half lot, and this is about the expiry. I think we should have done the goal first. Okay, I think we should have done the goal first. We should have taken the trade, but looks like we have missed it. Okay, so we should have been shorting at 34 half or 35. Okay, I'm not sure whether we will be getting that price, but let's see whether we are getting that trade. Okay, so you key in these orders. For those of you who came in late, okay, I'll just share the screen so you can key in all these orders. Then we'll see how this thing works out to be. Okay, let me key in. Okay, so here, for those of you who came in late, okay, we are trying to sell gold. I think we missed the level, so we should be the, trying to sell at 34. Okay, or if you feel 34 is missed, then probably 31 half should be another entry which you want to take. I'll leave it to you, but this one we got to exit before 26, because right now this market, this is still in a range. So this is supposed to be exiting before 30, sorry, 26. So then also the holding period, the target to be reached 26 is minimum is 20 minutes, maximum is 1 hour 20 minutes. So within this time frame, we should see the price target to be seen. Okay, so this is for gold. Then as far as the euro, pound, dollar, yen is concerned, we are looking to buy the dollar against all these three. So so we'll try to wait for better entry levels. Okay, so let's see. The gold, I think we have missed it, missed an entry. Okay, so let's see whether we have any other opportunities to trade. As far as these currencies are concerned, pound, I think it's just flickering, just coming to the buying, then failing. Okay, the same thing for dollar Swiss and dollar Sing. Okay, let me also try key in the orders while we are waiting for the other order to get filled. Okay, euro. The euro also, I think we'll wait for the price to get filled. Okay, let's look at okay, the gold now is 31. Okay, 31 half. Okay, let's wait. The market is a bit quiet. See the 15 minutes is literally flat on all the currencies, including gold. So we should see. Okay, gold. We can see another 13. See, it's already reached the target 26.50. So we missed that entry, because I think we should have gotten at least about 31 half is $5. We should have made that. I think this is also we missed that entry. So it's already reached the target 26. Just now it was trading at 30, 31 half. Okay, let's wait for a re-entry. Okay, while we are waiting for that, um, let's do some work on the gold. I think yesterday I'm not sure whether how many of you came. Yesterday I think our price target, I gave a price target of 60, 32, 60, and in fact the low was 61 or 60 half. So the same manner today we are. So what has happened is most likely, okay, most likely, if you see the price has the correction, the pullback is most likely is over. So if we are right, we should see the price heading south, again one more time. Okay, so and for today, okay, today either it might be in the range again, it might be the range, or if the low breaks, we can expect the further fall towards 30, close to 32.15 or even lower. So either this is going to be in a congestion for the next few days before the drop comes into, or it might even break tonight. We have to see how the market. In fact, there is no data that is out. Okay, because right now this is caught in a range between 120, which is a 2-hour chart. So there's two possibilities. Okay, one is it can go down from here, or another way is we can see the price testing higher one more round. Okay, one more round, then eventually the price should be coming off. Okay, so both are possible at this point of time because market has not given us a very clear clue, because this drop was too fast. That happened from 3,500, it dropped to 3,260, about $240 within 1 2 days. So chances are we may see the price one more time up before coming down, or we can see the price within the range for today, then tomorrow it might break lower. So as of now, I think it's best we play range play between 33.23 half and 30 340 half and 65, which is your current current day high. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to, I think just now we have missed it, we should have shorted earlier. That means we should have, if let's say before we did the currencies, we should be looking. So maybe next time what we will do is we'll go into the gold first. So if the opportunity is not there, then we will give the currency, then finally we come back to gold. So we should have, that's why I said we should have shorted, because I think when the time we started, the market already started turning. So we started at 5. So 5 is somewhere here. So this is where we had, so 5:15 the market gave us a signal that this is going to be a high. So we, if we have shorted here at 37, 38, we should have closed at 26, which is about $12, which we have missed that move. So I think tomorrow onwards, what we will do is we'll try to go straight to the gold. Then when we have the time, then we look into the currencies. So then at least we don't miss the opportunity. At the same time, we will try to maximize our effort, especially when we are going for live trading. Okay. So okay. Okay, any questions or anything you want to discuss? Okay, so here we we don't have any order filled, so we are waiting for a sell on the euro, sell on the pound, buy on the dollar yen. So maybe one more we can do dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss. So the gold, okay, the gold is right now, this is coming up again. Okay, here, so we are trying, I think we have already missed that move. Okay, let me see whether, eight. Okay, the 35 selling. Okay, I want to cancel first. Okay, you, because hold on. I think it may get filled. Okay, it may get filled. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's already filled. Okay, it's already filled. What we will do is, okay, we'll take this trade. Hold on. Let me check. The time is, okay. So what I want you to do, we are already missed right now. I think we are in the opposite direction. Okay, so probably try to close the trade at cost. Okay, at 35.50, and try to close. If the order is not filled, then I suggest you cancel the trade. Okay, because this is going to go higher. So you either try to close at cost if order is filled. I repeat, then if not, cancel the order. Okay, if the order is not filled, then you cancel the order. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a re-entry for gold. Okay, let me give you a re-entry. Okay, let me try closing mine. Sorry. My apologies. Okay, I repeat again. So, okay, I've closed, I've closed the trade. Okay, because for those of you who have taken the trade at 35, so try to close at 35. Right now is already 35. So then we are trying to go for a re-entry. Okay, so now what is going to happen now is market is I think most likely we should see the price breaking this high 36.65 going towards 33 90 84 or 93. Okay, let me check on that the system. Yeah. So we can see the price testing 80 to 94. Okay, we can see the price testing to 80. The previous day high was 86. So maybe we may see 80 or even higher, provided the 65 breaks. So now what is going to happen now is this is going to be in a range. Okay, this is going to be in a range. So what we should do now is, let me draw the channel. Okay, give me a minute. So what we will do, we will try to go, because this is stuck in a range, so we should have beginning of the time belt. So now this is the new time belt is already coming into play. So we will try to put a stop below 22. Okay, 22. Then we will try to exit at 39 and try to enter somewhere near the low. Okay, so now, as of now, if we look into this, okay, this market, this is just taking the support on extension of this 60 minutes. So which is means to say that this market has already seen the low, so we should see the price hitting the high before the market comes down again. So the only way how we can trade this is try to buy at 26 if we get, or uh, 31. Okay, 31 should be your the next immediate buying level. So if you are calling yourself an aggressive trader, you can buy at 31, 31 half, stop at below unless if you feel that the 25 half, so that should be your stop level. For conservative traders, okay, you can buy at 28 half. Okay, if you see 28 half, then put a stop at 25. Okay, that one I think, let me give you the signal. Okay, so that one I'll give the signal. Okay, so here we are going for a buy. Okay, so here we want to buy at 28 half. Okay, so now the view is changed. 3328 half. Okay, stop at 24 half and TP at 38 half. Okay, there's a $10 move which we are expecting. So this one is I think we can just give half an hour, okay, because no need to give more than that. So we'll just key in this order and we will see. So what is expected now today is the gold is, because the last 2 days it was a down move. Okay, the last 2 days. So today this is just getting itself into the range mode for today. So expect that 80, 82 to be testing, okay, for today. So if it tests, maybe by tonight we should be able to see 82 or even higher. If it goes, then probably 94 or 3405. So that should be your next level for a sell. So as of now, we are seeing a congestion on the 2-hour chart, with the high still not seen on the pullback. So we will try to go for a buy and hold. Okay, buy and hold for the price to break towards 80, 82. Okay, so we are trying to go for a buy, and let me see, because I'm not sure whether this is the low as of today. So if this is the low, then this high has to break, which is 41. So we will wait to see how we can trade this and get the results what we wanted. Okay, so just be a bit careful, because today this is caught in a range, so this can be moving on either side, but preferably we expect the price to break higher. Okay, so I think with that I conclude today's session. And as far as the pound, I think we still have a few more pips to go. Dollar yen, I think seems to come. Hopefully, the order should get filled. Okay, let me see the dollar yen order before I switch off. Okay, so this is okay. This buying order, this is all gone. Okay, this is just give me a minute, huh? So buying order, this is most likely this is missed. Okay, this trade is missed. Sorry, this trade is missed. This buying trade for the pound is also missed. I think this is all both reaching the price target. Then the dollar yen also, I think this is already down. Okay, this is also missed. We have not got the entry. So just now the gold, we missed it. Then we see how we can go about it. Okay, so then for the buying of dollar yen, we are trying to buy at 42.10. Okay, pound we are trying to sell at 33.40. Then the euro at 144.30, and this is only for another few more hours. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see whether I need to do any adjustment. Okay, what the only thing what we can do is we'll try to raise this two. Okay, so this one, the euro dollar, we'll try to raise by 15 pips. Okay, then pound also we will try to raise by 15 pips. Okay, so the dollar yen, I think the one also we can reduce it by 15 pips. Then the other trade also we would want to reduce it by 30 pips. Okay, so what we will do is dollar yen, okay, we will try to reduce it by 141.95. Okay, and this one will go at 65. uh, then the other one, okay, the day trading one also, I think we need to reduce it. The 85, we lower it to 55. So these are the adjustments we have done uh, for for the currencies. So we are trying to go for a buy on the gold at 28 half, and this is a range trade at 38 half, or expect if the 38 half, 40 half to break, then expect the price to push higher. So the dollar yen, this order we have missed that entry. All this we have missed that entry, so we don't have to look into this. So now we are trying to go for a uh, buy the dollar against pound, euro, and dollar yen. That means to say sell the pound, sell euro, and buy dollar yen. Okay, so we have two different entries. So in case if this thing gets stopped out, then we get any other new entry to come into play, and we should be able to manage this with the opportunity not to be missed, and together we will go for a trade. Okay. So I think with that I just want to end the session. Okay. Once again, thank you for coming, and looking forward to see you again. Maybe tomorrow what we will do is we'll start off with the gold trade first. Like as I said just now, we missed the opportunity of the gold. We should have shorted and made at least about $8 straight away, when we start the session. So sometimes the opportunity is there. So if we missed it, then we can't do anything. We can't be chasing it. So unless we are there before that. Okay. So thank you, and see you again tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye.